Paridhi Agarwal as a ninth grader. So today I'm very delighted to have an opportunity to share my views on National Girls Child Day. As the former Prime Minister of Norway, that is Erna Solberg, had said that if we invest in girls' education, she will feed herself, her community, her children, and everything. But in India, living as a woman is a rewarding task. As much as it is rewarding, it can be a curse also, because in India, women face a lot of hardship like violence. We think that in India, women do not face violence, but it is not like that. Even today, more than 26% of the women have to face physical violence that we call domestic violence, and also gender ferticide is practiced in the rural villages, and more than 2,39,000 girls have been neglected by their parents because of their gender. And when we talk about professional case, then there is a lot of wage gap in between men and women for the same job, and also women have not been given some basic facilities like maternity leave. So as much, I will not say that India have not been developed since independence, but as much as we won't know, the answer is totally no. We can. It is just a starting. We have to improve more and more. So the government has initiated so many types of schemes to promote girls, like Beti Bachao, Beti Padhao, Save the Girl Child, Udan scheme with the collaboration with CBSE board. So today we acknowledge and we talk about the National Girls Child Day, as we have talked about the struggle that the women in India face and the ways to fight them. So now we will talk about National Girls Child Day. It is celebrated on 24th January and was initiated in 2008 by the Ministry of Women and Child Development. So this day is celebrated to promote girls and their education and give them equal opportunity. Now, as far as I concluded that India has developed them more, but when we government and the willing society will meet together, then we can make a big change. It's not about all about taking small big changes, it's all about taking small changes daily. So I hope you all have listened it carefully, and I appreciate your time and attention. So thank you. Have a